Hi everyone, this is Anna and I'm from Phenomena Paints and I am back with the piece we are working on. The reason I am on the screen now, lots of my friends have been telling me that I need to come up on the screen. So I decided, okay, let's do it. So in front of camera is not my thing. So this is the first time I'm in front of camera and I hope everything goes well. So let's start with the piece. This is the piece I was working on. In the last episode, we have cleaned it, prepped it, prepared it, and everything, which is the basic preparation before we do any kind of painting. After that, I have 2 coats of soft sand on it. The color you see here is a soft sand. It's a warm white. It's a derivative of a white color, which is a little warmer. It's not pure white. It's a warm white. It's a yellowish beige white color from Lake palette. So this is the color. This is the base I have prepped and 2 coats of soft sand on it. So I have a plan for a textured finish on this piece on the side, and I will show you what I'm going to do. I have a couple of colors in my mind and let's play with them and let's see how they look. I plan to use Diamond Days. It's a warm gray color. I'll show you. So this is it's a warm gray color, and I will be mixing it in the Abracadabra, which is our texturing raised stenciling powder, and I will be applying it here, and then we're going to go from there. So I'm going to be using a putty knife, a small here, and this is Abracadabra. This is a powder. This is a powder, white powder. I'm going to mix it direct into the paint, and then we're going to apply it. Texture, how much depends on you, like how thick you want the material to be, like how much you want to put. You can have 1 spoon in a lot of paint and keep it thinner, and you can have a small amount of paint. So it depends how thick you want the piece to be or the material to be. I will be using this tray here. So let's do, I'll just do it in front, a very small amount. This blue spoon I'm holding is a tablespoon. So see, I just am having a small amount of powder here, and then I'm going to mix paint in it. Let's mix it. As you see, this thick, and I need a little bit thinner so that I can apply it nicely. So a little bit of paint, very little amount. The reason I'm on the floor is so that camera can capture what I'm doing easily. When I'm doing it on the table, I feel that it's on an odd angle, so that's why. So you see, it's a nice paste. I have mixed the texturing powder, which is Abracadabra, with it, and I have a small paste. It's like a batter. I have a small paste here. I'm going to apply it here directly. I think we need to come closer a little bit, so that you can see how it looks here. Okay. Yeah, I think too much light. Yep, too much light. Okay, so yeah. There's no pattern to it. I was just taking a putty knife and applying it here. I want a very thin layer of this material because I will be layering different colors. Okay, so that's all. This is one color. I'll bring it closer for you to see. See? You can see it? Okay. So this is how it looks when it's wet. I applied that in the front and I'll show you that. So this is already applied. And this side is already applied. And it's dried out. So I'm doing another color on this side and this side. And this is wet. So let's see. I'm going to lay it here so that it doesn't affect. I have this lid here which I have underneath it. इसको काटो. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's what I wanted to show you, that how it looks here. So this is the wet side. I'm going to switch it and I'm going to go to the dry side now. Yeah, and we're going to apply another different color. I have chosen our Bermuda, which is this color. Yeah. So I'm going to mix this color with a little bit of abracadabra and we'll go from there. I just need a very small amount of this color. So here. This is how it looks. Okay, so I'm just going to go and do another layer. Not everywhere, where I want this color to be, like this. I am not planning to use not too many products, just paint and the texturing material. So let's see what we can do on this side. You can go whichever way you want to. Like you can have lot of it, you can have a small amount. It's the look you are going for decides how much you want to. Okay, so almost done. I will also be layering the front, this side. Whichever way, actually there's no plan, just whichever way you think. You just okay. This is our second layer. I'm going to apply the same second layer on this side. Once it is dried, you need to give at least 4 to 5 hours for it to dry completely. And once this is completely dried, there will be a third layer coming up for a different color. And that then also there will be a raised stenciling, and I have a different plan, like lots of things I have in my mind. I'm still planning what I'm going to do. So that's what it is. For today, I'm going to wait until this dries out and then go to the third layer, and we will do it together in the next video. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. There's lots of tutorials coming in with different projects, start to finish projects, from cleaning to the end finish, where whatever finish we are planning for. So hope everything goes well. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.